Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Big Mustache. Mr. Bustache wanted a mustache. He let the hair beneath his nose grow, and grow, and grow, until he had the biggest, softest, fluffiest mustache ever. One day, while Mr. Bustache was planting flowers in his garden, a bird flew by. "Look at that big mustache," cried the bird. "It would make a great nest." Whoosh! The bird was home. "Whoa!" cried Mr. Bustache. "What's this?" He stared down his nose at the uninvited guest. Thought Mr. Bustache. Every bird needs its own place, and one little bird doesn't take up much space. So he went back to planting flowers. Another bird flew by. "Look at that big mustache. It would make a great nest." Whoosh! The bird was home. "Whoa!" cried Mr. Bustache. He wasn't sure what to do. Then he thought, "If there's room for one, I guess there's room for two." Mr. Bustache went back to planting flowers again, but it wasn't long before another bird swooped down, and another, and another, and another. "Whoa, Nellie!" cried Mr. Bustache. "This will never do. I was okay with one bird. I was okay with two. But now there is you, and you, and you, and you. All of you must shoo." But the birds stayed where they were. Mr. Bustache had an idea. "Birds don't like to sit in the rain," he said. Mr. Bustache sat under the sprinkler. He turned on the water. Psh! The birds sputtered and fluttered. They tweeted and twitted, but the birds stayed where they were. "I know," said Mr. Bustache. "Birds don't like to be upside down." Mr. Bustache stood on his head with his feet in the air. He shouted, "Go away!" But the birds were determined to stay. Mr. Bustache stomped his feet. He shook his fists. He waved his comb. But the birds simply loved their new mustache home. "I'll give you some bird seed," cried Mr. Bustache, "if you promise to go." The birds shook their heads. "No, no, no." "I give up," Mr. Bustache shouted. "Stay or go, I'll water my flowers and watch them grow." Mr. Bustache's flowers grew and grew and grew. One day a gust of wind shook the flowers. Poof! A cloud of pollen blew into the air and into Mr. Bustache's nose. Ah, 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 chew! Up, up, and away all the birds flew. Mr. Bustache raced down the street to the barber shop. He jumped into the barber's chair. "Buzz off this mustache!" cried Mr. Bustache. The barber got out his razor. Bzz, bzz, bzz. "Ah," Mr. Bustache sighed, "no more mustache, and no more birds." Mr. Bustache stroked his bare face. "My face feels so strange. It feels so weird. I think what I need is a beard." Mr. Bustache let the hair on his chin grow and grow and grow until he had the biggest, softest, fluffiest beard ever. But Mr. Bustache wasn't worried. "If the birds come back," he said, "I know what to do. Ah, 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 chew!"
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.